It was like a 3-day thing.
For real streamers though.
Yeah. For Borders, and I also like helped her. Yes, they brought the idea, so I couldn't, because if they didn't, I couldn't shoot.
So towards the sound. Okay.
And what they did was they took the story and took some of the characters with.
I watched you for